Have a look at this video. Today I'll show you step by step how I created it. My name is Marco, I'm an Italian photographer based in London, and here on my channel I share lots of videos about photography tips and tutorial. Today we are doing something different. I'll show you how I made an incredible video you probably saw before, and I'll give you a few tips and also show you how I made it. I'm using a black PVC roll so I can reuse it every time, on two stands at about 2.2 meters in height. Then, I created the classic curve and secured the backdrop on the table with clips. Since it's a video, today I'm using continuous light, the Godox UL150 COB LED light. It's mounted on a stand with a small horizontal bar. In front of it, there is a 19 cm deep softbox with a double layer TIFF and a grid at the front to direct the light entirely on the subject. In that way, I'm not affecting the backdrop too much with lighting. Now it's time to set up the tripod and the camera. Today I'm using a Sony a7 IV with a 28mm lens from Sony, recording in 1080p at 120 fps for slow motion. I'm using S-Log2 color profile to maximize the result in editing. I secured the coffee package on the table using duct tape to prevent it from moving, because today we'll be heating this pack with half a kilo of coffee beans. I then built a ramp at the back of the package using simple recycled cardboard from an Amazon package to maximize the flight of the beans at the top of the package. I carefully framed the subject slightly from below, making sure it was in the middle. Because I'm recording at 120 fps, shutter speed is set to 1 on 250, always twice the recording frame rate to maximize the motion blur. The ISO value is to 1600 and the aperture at f8. The video light power is set to 100%. To prevent coffee beans from going everywhere, I used a cloth on the front, folded multiple times like a tube. I'm glad I did it because shortly you'll see the mess I created. I placed the beans on a cutting board so I could throw them all at once. I did a first test to see if the starting height was right for the beans to fly over the package, but it wasn't enough. So I raised myself higher with a chair. This allowed the beans to gain more speed. After some editing, slowing down the clip to 25% with a starting curve from 50%, the result is truly incredible once the video is played backwards. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did it, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Meanwhile, just keep creating. Ciao!